what is the solubility is, and we all are aware about the solubility product. So today we will discuss about the solubility of the salt of weak acid and how pH will affect this solubility. So for any salt of weak acid, the Ksp is equal to m into x minus for any salt of mx. So as it is a weak acid, the x minus must be in equilibrium with the hx. So we know hx plus water gives rise to H3O plus x minus 1, and for this reaction the Ka value, that is the dissociation or ionization constant of a weak acid, is equal to concentration of H3O plus into concentration of x minus divided by concentration of hx. So this will give rise to Ka divided by H3O plus is equal to x minus divided by hx. If we modify this equation, this will give x minus divided by hx plus x minus is equal to K divided by Ka plus H3O plus, which is taken as F. This is necessary because the x minus that is produced from mx now exists as two types, one as x minus and one as hx. So this is the total x minus, but we have to take the concentration of only x minus, yes or no? So here in the bottom, in the denominator, this is the total concentration of x, and in numerator there is the concentration of x which is exist as x minus. So this F represents the fraction of x produced out of total amount of x, that is hx plus x minus. So now Ksp is equal to, we know, concentration of m plus and concentration of x minus. If concentration of m is S, the concentration of x minus is equal to S into F, because out of this x minus some will be remain as hx and some will remain as x minus, so it will be SF. So again Ksp is equal to S square into F, or we can say S is equal to Ksp whole into the square root of Ka plus H3 plus ion divided by K. So from this equation we can say the solubility decreases with increase in the concentration of H plus ion or decrease in pH value, as it combines with X minus ions and decreases the X minus ion concentration. If you dissolve S amount of mx, it will produce m plus and x minus, but this x minus will remain equilibrium with the hx. So if you add acid, this x minus concentration will decrease, so more amount of mx will dissolve in the solution. That's why the solubility of the salt of weak acid will increase with increase in H plus ion concentration or decrease in the pH. Thank you. Happy learning.